How to film a movie about animal friendship. Creating a film about animal friendship is a unique and rewarding challenge that requires careful planning and execution. To create a successful film in this genre, the filmmaker must use certain filming techniques to capture the essence of the animal friendship. In this article, we will explore the steps involved in using filming techniques to create a film about animal friendship, from preparation to editing. Step 1. Choose a topic. The first step in creating a film about animal friendship is to choose a topic that is both compelling and relevant. This may involve researching animal behavior, rescue stories, or other heartwarming tales of animal friendship. It's important to choose a topic that is both interesting to the filmmaker and relevant to the target audience, as this will help to ensure that the film is engaging and informative. Step 2. Conduct research. Once a topic has been chosen, the next step is to conduct research. This may involve reading books and articles, watching documentaries, conducting interviews with animal behavior experts and animal owners, and observing animal behavior in person. The goal of the research phase is to gain a deep understanding of the animal behavior and to identify key themes, issues, and perspectives that will be explored in the film. Step 3. Develop a concept. Based on the research conducted in Step 2, the next step is to develop a concept for the film. This may involve creating a treatment or pitch that outlines the key themes, issues, and perspectives that will be explored in the film, as well as the visual style, tone, and mood of the film. The concept should be clear, concise, and compelling, and should give potential funders, collaborators, and distributors a clear sense of what the film will be about and why it's important. Step 4. Secure funding. Once a concept has been developed, the next step is to secure funding for the film. This may involve applying for grants, seeking out investors, or launching a crowdfunding campaign. It's important to have a clear budget and production plan in place before seeking funding, as this will help to demonstrate that the project is viable and well planned. Step 5. Pre-production. With funding secured, the next step is to move into pre-production. This may involve hiring a production team, scouting locations, conducting interviews with animal owners and experts, and developing a shooting schedule. It's important to have a clear plan in place for how the film will be shot and edited, as well as a contingency plan in case of unforeseen events or challenges. The filmmaker should also consider the legal aspects of filming, such as acquiring permissions and releases, and obtaining necessary permits. Step 6. Production. The production phase involves actually shooting the film. This may involve capturing footage of the animals interacting, interviews with animal owners and experts, and capturing B-roll footage of the location and surroundings. It's important to use appropriate filming techniques to capture the essence of the animal friendship, such as using close-ups to show the emotions on the animals' faces, capturing the animals in action, and using slow-motion shots to emphasize key moments. The filmmaker should also be mindful of their presence and the impact it may have on the animals, and take steps to ensure that the animals are comfortable and safe throughout the filming process. Step 7. Post-production. The post-production phase involves editing the footage and sound to create a cohesive and engaging story. This may involve selecting the most compelling footage, using music and sound effects to enhance the emotional impact of the film, and using editing techniques such as cuts and transitions to create a sense of rhythm and flow. It's important to stay focused on the storytelling aspect of the film, and to use the visual and audio elements to create an immersive and memorable experience.